Hey there, beautiful soul. Welcome back to Guided Affirmations with Abundance Echo. I will read an affirmation, then give you time to recite it out loud or in your mind, but with deep intention. Repeat them daily and watch your inner world transform. Let's begin by gently inhaling through the nose. Hold it at the top. And now exhale all the tension away as we start our session. I celebrate my progress, not just the outcome. I find strength in stillness. I trust the process of life. I choose love, always. I rise today in alignment with my higher self. I allow my light to shine brightly. I am a source of calm in the chaos. Today is a gift, and I make the most of it. I move forward with confidence and ease. I bring light into the lives of others. I breathe deeply and feel centered. I let joy lead me. I find magic in simple things. I am becoming more joyful every day. I start today with a fresh perspective. I radiate calm, inner strength, and peace. I show up for myself with love and courage. I am a magnet for miracles. I am open to receiving unexpected blessings. Today, I choose to be happy. I am loved, supported, and safe. I speak to myself with kindness and compassion. I am filled with creative energy. I make time for what matters to me. I feel aligned with my purpose. And just like that, you've set the tone for an unstoppable day. Your focus is sharper, your discipline is stronger, and your productivity is effortless. Keep showing up for yourself because every step forward counts. Remember, consistency creates success. Keep listening, keep believing, and watch yourself transform. Until next time, stay focused, stay disciplined, and keep rising.